Hey, it's a seriously no student loan moment brought to you by a guy who looks at a lot of student loans on credit reports. So, disclaimer, if I take out the student loan, it's going to haunt me for the rest of my life. Moment brought to you by me. Period. So, student loans. If we pull a credit report and there's a payment listed on there, the lender is going to use that payment to help you qualify. So let's just say that you owe $100,000 and the payment's listed as $500. They're going to use $500 to qualify. What if there's no payment listed? Well, this is where it gets interesting. There's basically 3 investors for loans in America. There's 4, but we'll talk about the 3. Freddie, Fannie, conventional loans. Jenny Mae, you think more government loans. So if there's no payment listed, let's just say you owe $100,000, Fannie is going to do 1%. So $1,000 a month is going to count against you. Freddie Mac is going to be 0.5%. FHA, 0.5%. USDA, 0.5%. So those will be 500. And then VA is going to be 5% divided by 12. Now, what if you don't qualify with the payment that we put in there because we have to based on guidelines? Well, you can call the student loan bureaus and you can ask for an income-based student loan repayment program. I see this a lot. I've seen it down to $1. So you call them up and you say, hey, I'm trying to buy a house. This is what I need. They're going to collect some information, approve, and put you on one. If they do, your lender should help you update the credit bureaus to get that, instead of $1,000, maybe get it down to $1. That would be a huge swing in monthly payment. Another thing I really want to bring up is last year, the government took a lot of student loans out of forbearance and nobody knew. We are seeing a ton of 120, 150 day late credit scores on credit reports, a ton. So I would encourage you, myfreeannualcreditreport.com. Make sure that you're good. Call your student loan companies. Just look around because we're seeing some credit scores drop. This was a moment about student loans brought to you by a guy who explains student loans a lot.